more about what is ahead for a Dalton teenager who's now home after spending more than 2 weeks in ICE custody. Police in Dalton mistakenly pulled over Arias-Cristobal for a traffic violation. Federal officials then discovered she's in the country illegally. So our Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live in the studio with the latest on what her future is.
Yeah, Jimena was reunited with her family Thursday night after being released on bond. Now, the case has garnered national attention and reignited the debate over how the U.S. should handle immigration cases of those who are brought to this country illegally as children.
I'm changed as a person, and yeah, my life won't be the same.
Jimena Arias-Cristobal's future remains uncertain. She is back home with family, but still faces possible deportation after being detained by ICE nearly 3 weeks ago. Cristobal, who entered the country illegally with her parents when she was 4 years old, was detained by ICE after she was mistakenly pulled over by Dalton police during a traffic stop. Police later dropped the charges after reviewing the footage and determining she was mistakenly identified. An immigration judge granted her a $1,500 bond Wednesday, and on Thursday she was finally released from ICE custody.
She's not going to have probably another hearing in her case for at least a year, maybe even 2, given how backlogged the immigration courts are.
Cristobal's attorney, Dustin Baxter, hopes to help her obtain legal status by tying Cristobal's case to her father's. He is also seeking legal residency.
He's eligible for something called cancellation of removal because he's been here for more than 10 years. He's been a person of good character, and he's got U.S. citizen children. So he's eligible to fight for his green card, but Jimena is not at this point because she doesn't have a U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse, parent, or child. However, if her dad wins his case, then she would have that qualifying relative, and she'd be able to also apply for her green card through him.
Cristobal faces a long road ahead, but for now is focused on being reunited with her family.
I'm excited to eat a Mexican Danish called pambazos, and then taking a shower, a very long, relaxing shower, and getting in my bed and getting as many hours of sleep as I want without getting woken up by screaming.
Now, Jimena's attorney criticized the Trump administration's broad immigration enforcement and calls for a solution for young people who were brought to the U.S. as children. So still very much an ongoing story. Yeah. Christine, we expect this is going to drag on for more than a year, it sounds like.
Yeah, and she was in good spirits, all things considered, yes, for what she has dealt with. Thanks so much, Deidre. Well.